welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ellie and today I'm going to show you how I wash my makeup brushes. So if you want to learn how I do it, please just keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that you will need is a pad. If you do not have this, you can also use this right here that you hold it with your finger and then you wash the brushes there. If you do not have any of this, you can also use your hand, but I believe after the 5 brush, your hand is gonna be dead. But I would really recommend something like this so your hand doesn't get destroyed. So I have this product right here that is LOC multi-purpose cleaner. You can use it for several things, but I use it for my brushes all the time and I love it how they come out after. They come out perfect. If you don't have this, you can also use soap. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know about a brush is that this area right here, it has all the glue. So you have to try not to wet all this part so much because then the hair is gonna start coming out. And we're gonna get some of our product like that, and you're gonna scrub it in the mat like this. You see how all the makeup is coming out? That's what you want. This product is really concentrated. After that, you're gonna get a little bit of water and then scrub it a little bit more. You see how the soap is coming out white already? That's what you want. You see all the product is gone. Now to wash them, you're gonna do the same thing in the mat, just like that. You see, with your hand, you can do it too. You see how I'm cleaning only this bottom part? I'm not going to this area right here, that is where the glue is. Now you wanna open the brush so all the soap that went inside, you can take that out. Now to see if you still have soap in the brush, you're gonna squish the brush and you see that no product is coming out, like no soap or anything, only water. That's what you want. So once you clean your brush, now you're gonna put it in a towel paper so all that water comes out, and you have to put it like this. You cannot put it upside down because then all the water is gonna go to this area right here, and that's where the glue is, and it's gonna remove that glue and all the hairs are gonna start coming out. So you want to put your brush like this. And we're gonna do the same thing to the rest of the brushes. Okay, so now I'll show you how to clean the brushes. Now let's see how we can clean the beauty blender. You're gonna wet the beauty blender first, and you're gonna dip it in soap or whatever you're using to clean your brushes. You're gonna start massaging your sponge. You see how the product is coming out? That's what you want. We're gonna put a little bit of water and then keep massaging. You see how it's coming out a little bit white? That's what we want. Your sponges is still gonna look a stain even though it's already clean. You have to make sure that there's no soap left because then that will go to your face and you do not want that. So you're gonna squish, and if you still see that a little soap is coming out like that, you have to keep washing your sponge. So you see no more soap is coming out. We're squishing the sponge, no more soap. That's what we want. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope my way of cleaning my brushes was helpful for you. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to show some support, you can go ahead and subscribe. And also click on the bell so every single time that I post a new video, you will get a notification. And nothing, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!